Hi, I'm Catherine Evans from Wiki-ed. In this video we're going to look at adding a variety of links from the link section of the insert menu to our mind map, and those are attachment, audio note, hyperlink, branch connection and citation. To save time, I've already added them and I've used the minus button to close down that section of my map, but you can also use then the plus button to reopen it. So just to keep my map clean and tidy, I'm just going to keep open the section I'm working on. So first off with an attachment, and you go up to the top and you can add any file by clicking that attachment button. If it's a PDF, it opens in Acrobat. If it's a Word document, it opens in Word. So I'm just going to attach this PDF file and click open. And I get a paperclip. So we already had a paperclip for text. The paperclip can be somewhat overused. To show that something is attached, if I hover over it, it tells me what kind of file it is with the icon and the file name. If I click that, it will open that file in its default software, which is a web browser for this computer. If I want to attach an audio note, I can go up and record one. If you've already recorded an audio file, you can attach it as an attachment. And this is an audio note. Press record, press stop. Press the tick to add the audio note. I'm just going to leave it with that name. I'm going to call it audio note 2 because it looks like there's already one there. And save. Again, a paperclip with a hover, and I can click it and it will open up in my default music player, which is Windows Media Player. A hyperlink is a particularly useful one because you can hyperlink to a piece of research. So if I go up and I click on the hyperlink option, you can see it gives me a name, and that can be very useful because if I go and get the URL or web address for the piece of research I want to put in, that is utterly meaningless to put in my map. I'm just copying that. It links to a PDF file that's directly online, so doesn't need downloading. But if I put this in here, this would be meaningless hanging off of my paperclip because it doesn't even say what the article's on. So it's on planning an essay using a mind map. I'm going to click OK. And then once that's gone on there with its paperclip, when I hover, you will see that I get the name rather than the web address. And if I click it, it will take me off to that paper on the internet, providing, of course, it doesn't get moved over time. The next one we're looking at is a branch connection. So a branch connection is useful when two different parts of the map are related. I don't know if it explained it on the picture. No, yes, so on this image here, projects and overview are connected as a related part, so it's good for the planning and it's good for the benefits. So for a branch connection, you click the button. You don't need to click the branches you want to connect first. You click the branch connection button on the insert toolbar. You click the branch you wish to start the connection from, and then you click the branch you wish to end the connection on. And then you get this line drawn between them, as well as a paperclip which shows all the branch connections, because a branch can be connected to several branches. If you find that the curve of that is not very good, so this one goes through that lady somehow, you click on the line and then you get these funny square handles that you can use to move it. So that's it, that's a bit better, and that now looks a bit weird the way it's curved, so I'm just going to move that one in as well. So that's a branch connection. The final option is citation, and I'm covering that in a separate video because citations are particularly important to university students, so I'm going to cover that in a video by itself. I'm Catherine Evans from Wiki-ed. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos on assistive technology, and if you want to find me on social media, search for Wiki-ed Essex.